Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is a detailed video of DJI remote controller. So this is a Avata 2 drone, and today in this video I'll be giving you a full detailed explanation of this remote and also going to show you how to use this remote properly. So let's get started. So let's quickly see this remote. So here we have this button. This is basically used for the recording purpose. So if you click here, recording will start basically. And then we have this button. So this is basically a speed button. So let's suppose I'm clicking it this much. In that case it's a full speed, so your drone will go much faster. And if I click it little bit, it means it'll go forward direction, but little slowly, not that fast. Once I click fully, it's bang on, it's full speed. And then we have this scroller option. So let's suppose you activate a acro mode in your drone. In that case your drone will be able to do 360 flip, 180 flip, all that things you will be able to do. So to scroll it out, you can use this option. And even in menu you have list of lot of options. So if you want to scroll it, you can scroll it with this toggle or this circle thing. Then we have this M and H button. So this is basically for manual, basically for normal speed and high speed. So from here you can change the speed, so you can keep high speed and normal speed. So speed is controlled from here. And then we have this button. This is to make your drone up and down. If you click this upward, your drone will go upside. If you click it downwards, your drone will go downside. If you click right side, and left, then it goes left side. And if you click right side, it will go right side. It's simple joystick, that's it. Then we have this orange button. So this orange button working as two things. So if you double press on it, your drone will activate, it will start working. And let's suppose you are going in a full speed, full rush, and there is a wall and you immediately want to stop. In that case you can just simply press it once and your drone will stop. That's all. So it's also useful for the emergency thing. And on top we have these battery indicators. And here we have this small button. It's to start your remote controller. So by clicking on it 2 times, basically first time you have to click it once and then you have to hold it long like this. Currently it's on, so I click it once and then one again, and it's off now. And to turn it on, you click it once and then again hold it and then release it, and it's now on. It will take few seconds to reconnect with that drone. Now let's play with the drone. So to start your drone, you need to press this orange button twice, 1 2, and there you can see motor is started. Now for takeoff, you need to use this joystick. Just hold it upside and here you can see now it's flying. So let's see the joystick thing. So if I hold it upward, it will go upside. If I click on the downside, it will go to downside. If left, it will go to the left side. If right, it will go to the right side. So this is the purpose of joystick. And then this is the speed thing. Okay, so if I hold it fast, it will go fast. If I hold it like this little bit, here you can see little bit, so it's moving. It's in a slow motion, it's not going fast. Okay, so that's the purpose of this. And one more thing, make sure you keep your hand 90 degree like this, because it's a gesture based also. So let's suppose currently my drone is going like this forward, and then I slightly move my hand, your drone also will move. So you have to take care of this thing a lot. So currently it's coming here to my side, and if I'll twist my wrist, it will start moving. So it's a gesture based, so don't make a mistake. Okay, and there is one more thing with this gesture. So you can control your gimbal with like this gesture. With this gesture you will be able to move your gimbal. Let me show you just. So here you can see gimbal is moving. When I'm moving my wrist, it's moving. Let me just And to make it 360 rotate, just press it a little bit and that's it. With the wrist you can control left and right 360, that's it. Okay, now let's make it go forward direction. Press it a little bit, and make sure you don't move it, keep it 90 degree, then it will go straight. Otherwise it's go right left, right left. Okay, so yeah, these are the controllers here, and with this thing you can maintain the speed. And let me show you one more thing. I'll speed it up and then immediately I'm going to press this. Okay, so it's straight, and here you can see it immediately stopped. When I pressed this, it immediately stopped. So I have pressed this button last time, so now anything will not work until I press this orange once again. So once again I'll press it, and now it's enabled. Now it will start working once again. And one more thing, so let's suppose you are flying it and then you do this upward direction like movement, you can control it. You can control height with the gestures also. So let's suppose it's a stable. In that case, if you move, it will control the gimbal. But if you're in a flow and then you move your hand, then you can control height also. Okay, so this is how it's working. This was really short video, guys. I hope you guys have learned it. It's quite easy to run this drone. So yeah, that's all, guys. If you have any question, do let me know. Feel free to connect. Yeah, that's it. See ya. Have a great day.